Hi guys, so I'm back on Rohit Wandering Stallion on YouTube. You can subscribe to me on Rohit Wandering Stallion and also on the Style Maker MID 621125095526. I was just saying yesterday, I've got a short list of subscribers. This channel I opened like when it was a peak COVID period. So I'm pretty sure till my subscribers do not get zero, I'll be continuing to use it. And this is just for the YouTube people who are following me, subscribing to me. My voice has improved in the last couple of months, some time. And a very important question which anyone can ask, because when you do karaoke, we have got different types of emotion. We are happy. There are karaoke's which are happy. There are karaoke's which are romantic. There are karaoke which are sad. There are karaoke's which are pop and everything. And people tend to assume why I do it because singleism. People tend to think it might be for someone due to something in life related to love or something. No, for me, it's not. Doing karaoke is not about all those things. Why I do karaoke? Because music is like a stress buster for me. It's burst my stress out, and when the stress goes away, that's why I do karaoke. And the only reason I do karaoke is it burns away all my stress. Just like I go to the gym every day, it burns my stress. I play with my pet, that burns my stress. I go on bike rides, that burns my stress. I go on a car drive, that burns my stress. Similarly, music and karaoke does burn my stress out. So it's a Saturday, it's a weekend, and today I am at home. And this is the first karaoke which I'm doing, and I'm not picking up an album. Whatever randomly comes up, I'm trying to do it. Also, as I said last time, picking up Punjabi. I want to speak in bit in Punjabi, although it's very tough. बड़ा औखा होंदा है पंजाबी विच बोलना वर्क करना चाहता अपनी पंजाबी को बट इट इज़ एक्चुअली बहुत मुश्किल है ये पंजाबी बट स्टिल आई विल कंटिन्यू टू वर्क ऑन इट अ लिटिल बिट and of course it's weekend so let's start the first track on my mind, which is a female track which I'll be doing in my style whatever way it goes. As I said, always in my whenever I do this karaoke thing on YouTube, I never take breaks. Any calls comes, any Bluetooth issues, anything, it's a natural process which I continue. तो आज शुरू करता हूँ मैं पहला ट्रैक पहला करोके ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ लोगों ਨੂੰ पसंद आए hopefully. So let's start. मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. ऐसा क्यों होता है तेरे जाने के बाद, लगता है हाथों में रह गए तेरे हाथ. तू शामिल है मेरे हंसने में रोने में, है क्या कोई कमी मेरे पागल होने में. मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. हर दफा वही जादू होता है तू जो मिले हो, सब सवर जाती है यारा अंदर मेरे. एक लम्हे में कितनी यादें बन जाती है. मैं इतना हंसती हूँ आंखें भर आती है. मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। फुर्सत कहाँ आंखों को है मेरी आजकल, हो देखने में तुझे सारा दिन जाए निकल। और फिर आहिस्ता से जब छू के तू निकले, तेरी आंचल दिल मेरे धीमे धीमे पिघले। मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा, हाँ इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा। So beautiful track, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. Amazingly sung by Sunidhi Chauhan. Lovely track, which I really love. And it's an old, bit of old karaoke. As I said, when I posted on the Star Maker app, even there, invitations come to do duets and sing with someone or in a group. I don't like. I always like walking alone. And this is just like, as I said, the only reason I do karaoke is to burn my stress. There are certain days, there's so many things happen in your life that you just want to burn your stress. That's the reason I do. Also, Indian Idol is going on. I'm really enjoying that show as well. And also, like yesterday, I was watching KBC also, and I've always been fascinated by Bengali people. And I think being a Punjabi Bengali friendship is quite different. And the language is so soothing, and the way they talk, I really really fascinated by the culture, the Bengali culture. And that's what I was observing last night also. And then the next track, next karaoke will be in that only. This is again a movie of Vidya Balan, if I'm correct. It had a multiple parts also. In fact, its name is Bhul Bhulaiya, and I'm going to be trying. It's sung by amazing again, amazing singer in Shreya Ghoshal. And the interesting thing about when you try to sing female tracks, I can't sing in a female voice, and you have to, so because a female is singing, so I am singing in a male voice, and the tenses are also for female. That becomes so interesting. So this is the second karaoke which I'll be doing from the movie Bhul Bhulaiya. Hopefully, I get the track on the app. It's over here. Uh, no, this is a different time. It's a very. I'm not able to find the track. I will find it definitely. I'm pretty much sure. তোমার সজোজে তোমার আমি যে তোমার. Yeah, I found it. It's again. Hopefully, I don't want to do this one. Maybe I will try for look for more ones. Yeah, I'll do the Sonu Nigam one. I'm not doing that one. First of all, I'm going for the Sonu Nigam one. Hopefully, I'm able to do it. Sung by the legendary Sonu Nigam. Let's try this. भोला भाला था, सीधा साधा था, मैं तो नादान था। दुनियादारी से, होशियारी से, मैं तो अनजान था। लगी चोट ऐसी मेरे भोले दिल पे, बिखर सा गया टूट के। जो धागे से छूटे ये रिश्ते के मोती, जुदा ना अब छूट के। जहरीले सांपों ने, मेरे ही अपनों ने मुझको है धोखा दिया। मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे दर्द की धुन। मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरी नफरतें तो फिजा में बहेगी, जिंदा रहेगी होके फना। तारी दाना धूम दाना, तानी दानी 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 दा। तारा तारा तारे दारे दारे रे ना। Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare। आधा अधूरा था बदन ये मेरा, एक घर का जो घर था। मेरी जन्नत एक, मेरी जन्नत एक नरक था। आधा अधूरा था बदन ये मेरा, एक घर था जो घर था। मेरी जन्नत एक नरक था, ये तख्त वो ताज सब तेरा है। मैं तो जल के छोड़ूंगा, जिंदा बचेगा न, सबको मिटेगा छोड़ूंगा। ये रूह तो नहीं मरती, चाहे कोई सितम करो, ये रूह तो है मरती। আমি যে তোমার, सोजो जे तुम्हार, मेरे बोलना सुन, मेरी चाहते। So actually I did a lot of mistakes in that track, but I don't want to keep it light. আমি যে তোমার, सोजो जे तुम्हार, मेरे बोलना सुन, तेरे प्यार की धुन। আমি যে তোমার, আমি যে তোমার। Hopefully I'm able to do it. আমি যে তোমার, সোজো যে তোমার, मेरे ढोलना सुन। Now I want to try the female one, the Manjolika one, sung by amazing Shreya Ghoshal ma'am. I'll be watching Indian Idol in the night as well. It's coming very good this time. I'm really liking. I saw Badsha concert also recently, and Dehradun as far as it goes, it's getting a bit hotter here. Surprised, it's not that cold in the month of November. As I said, the only reason I do karaoke is to burn my stress, and I want to do this another one also of the same movie, Ami Je Tumhar, the female version. And it's these are very tough karaoke's which one does. But as I said, the only reason I do karaoke is to burn my stress. And actually, when I come out of the room, or from the YouTube, it burns me a lot of stress. I can't sit and watch with someone my YouTube. As I said, till my subscribers stay, I will be there. After that, I won't be there. So, and it will be only available on my on YouTube, so you can always view it over there. Yeah, I need to go back to the app. Just tend to post it. Hopefully, it gets posted. Yeah, just a second. আমি যে তোমার সোজই যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার जमे भयेंगी जिंदा रहेंगी होके फना. This is by Shreya Ghoshal, Aman Malik, and Preetham Chakrabarti and Sameer. Yeah, let's start. Let me try this, the full one. तो दिलों की ये प्रेम कहानी ले आई देखो कहाँ इन लकीरों में मिलना अपना था जन्म पहले लिखा हमारे मिलन को है कर से जो रहना इन्हें आज ना रोकना जुदा अब न होंगे करो हमसे वादा मेरा साथ न छोड़ना तुम्हें आज पाएंगे या मर ही जाएंगे ये ख्वाब ना तोड़ना हाँ मेरे भोलेना मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके फना तरना 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 আমি যে তোমার শোধো যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার तू जो नहीं तो मेरा ये मन है बंजर जमीन सूखी रा जैसी हूँ मैं तो है नमी तू जो नहीं तो मेरा ये मन है बंजर है ये जमीन सूखी रे जैसी हूँ मैं तू है नमी खामोशी खामोशी खलों से तेरी सदाई आती है सजदे में सर झुकाऊं मैं तेरी दुआएं तेरी ये जिंदगी क्या है आकर भी न भूले अब जन्मों की ये जो चाहत है ओरे किया मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरे प्यार की धुन मेरे ढोलना सुन मेरी चाहते तो फिजा में बहेगी जिंदा रहेगी होके फना तरना तरना Tum 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 da da di di da di di da di da di da di da di da আমি যে তোমার সোজো যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার সোজো যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার সোজো যে তোমার মেরে ডোলে ধাস আমি যে তোমার আমি যে তোমার Not bad. I would have been a singer if the mistakes wouldn't have happened. But I am a singer in voice because actually this is just a stress buster which I do. Ami Je Tumhar, the female version. Male and female, I would write here. Beautiful track. I want to do one karaoke of an old track which is about Sawan. Rim jhim gire sawan सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन So I'm regularly on the Star Maker app ID 6211250956 and trying to be on weekends on Rohit One Drink Stallion on YouTube. As I do karaoke because it burns my stress. So regularly I do it on the app where it burns my stress. On YouTube, this week I'm doing it on. I was yesterday also there, and today I'm also here, and probably tomorrow also. So the last track, because it's already 23 minutes, I'm going to be ending with this track which I just told you. Rim jhim gire sa. Let me post this one, and then I'm coming back with the last one. And see you again sometime. As I said, till my subscribers don't becomes, I'll be there until unless I'm blocked. In case I'm blocked, which I'm not doing anything wrong, but in case I'm done, because this is all credit to all the beautiful, amazing singers who do it on the concerts and everywhere. Even people sing in hotels and everywhere. So there's nothing wrong in that, I think. So let's do it. These guys spend a lot of time in music, the Bengalis, and that's why I really attract towards them also. I don't mind having a girl as a friend who sings well. It would be a lovely experience. Lata Mangeshkar and Kishore Kumar track, Rim Jhim Gire Sawan. Let's end with that. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to do well in this track more than the other ones. Rim Jhim Gire Sawan Sulag Sulag Jaye Man भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन सुलग सुलग जाए मन भीगे आज इस मौसम में लगी कैसी ये अगन रिम झिम गिरे सावन जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे और हमारे पल के न बूंदे जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे जैसे देखे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किस अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किसी अजनबी से। हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन। सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन। रिम झिम गिरे सावन, रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, मेरे ढोलना सुन, मेरे प्यार की धुन, आमे जे तुम्हार शोजो जे तुम्हार, मैनू इश्क तेरा ले डूबा. So this is like premiering on Rohit One Drink Stallion on YouTube. You can subscribe to me to listen on YouTube, and also you can listen to my karaoke's on the Star Maker, and my ID is 6211-250-9526. As I said, I only do karaoke's to burn my stress. All week I am on the Star Maker at any time, anywhere, but I don't like doing it with anyone. It's my own stress buster time. I've already burned my stress, and also on weekends, like I'm in YouTube, Rohit One Drink Stallion. This week I'm on 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and hopefully on Sunday. I do it to burn my stress. Now my voice will also become bad because it's already half an hour, and probably my stress won't burn. It will stress me out if I do more karaoke's. So time to say goodbye. पंजाबी विच कहंदा तुसी मैनू फॉलो भी कर सकते हो स्टार मेकर ऐप ते माई आईडी हैगी 6211250952 और तुसी मैनू सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो एट रोहित वन ड्रिंक स्टैलियन. बहुत बेकार हैगी मेरी पंजाबी, बट आई एम अ पंजाबी सो आई फील समटाइम्स व्हाई आई कांट स्पीक दैट वे. I also spoke about Bengali friends, and I like Bengali language music, and looking forward to Indian Idol as well. Shreya Ghoshal, Badshah, I really love them, and I really want to watch them on Indian Idol, and the singers, and like one girl also. There's one guy also I like, which I really like. For me, this is just a stress buster. It took about 29-30 minutes. Time to say bye bye for now. Have a nice day. Have a nice Saturday. See you someday again, maybe tomorrow or next week on YouTube, but regularly on the app. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now.